Good afternoon, everyone. It's Lynda here from Banjo's Bead House with our weekly Facebook Live video. And can you believe there's only this and two more to go before we hit the start of the silly season? Where has this year gone? I don't know. It's been a fun one. So I love to, at every time this time of the year, develop a new Christmas earring. We did a sneaky one in July when we launched our little snowman featuring the bow tie bead. And now we've launched, well, we secretly launched it a month ago, but now we're officially launching it, a new Christmas tree earring. So the kit is already available up on the website, as are all of the beads that I'm going to walk you through. And it's a quick little way just to wear a fun little pair of trees during the silly season as we get going on the countdown to Christmas. So I'm going to tip the mat down and share with you guys some quick little fun. Whoops, transition to the wrong camera then. Okay, so hi Alex, thank you for joining me. So earlier this year I found these fun little cone trees. They're a glass bead, they've got a slight AB effect. These guys I believe are what I'm calling the Emerald AB, and they're what I'm going to use today. We also have them in Peridot AB and Crystal AB. This is what we've made up in the tree kits, being nice tree colors. Then we had a customer come in and go, they would be perfect for angels. So next year we'll launch an angel kit, and we'll have the white opal as an angel. We'll have this vintage pink as an opal option, as an angel option, as well as the red. That doesn't mean you couldn't pick up these guys and play with them as a tree this year. We just haven't made them up into those particular kits. So in each of the kits, you will find, beyond a set of little instructions, a pair of these guys, a cute little pair of size 4 cubes. Can also use size 6s because the 4s are out of stock at the moment. I've got two little 4mm bicones. These are the Crystal R and Full by Preciosa, and you'll also get two little 51mm head pins and a pair of ear hooks. Now in your kits you'll get silver. I'm using platinum and stainless steel because this is actually going to be for me. Tool wise, I'm using the looper. If you don't have one, you'll need a pair of cutters and round nose pliers. But yeah, other than that, it's really simple. It's thread on a cube, thread on your cone, and thread on a bicone. So this for me is replacing the lock rose trees that we used to make from Swarovski, which we had in the Emerald and the Crystal AB. We've been cleaned out of the 8mm, I think, or the 10mm in the lock rose in the green, and the one of the colors in the Crystal AB. So we don't have perfect tree sets left anymore, and my supplier for the Crystal AB alternative ran out of 6s, so I've run out of those. Hope to get more of those in the new year. So I missed a step explaining that, so thread on again. Sorry, too busy talking and not busy explaining. So as always with anything that's fragile, I stick my fingernail in the path of the looper, slide in your looper, and you just want to do that nice little looping action. Now I've done that a little too big, which is fine, and that's where you just go back in with your round nose pliers. Just open up your loop a little bit more and then hand twist that round, and that way you avoid cracking any of your little bicones or precious little crystals. From there, it is really easy to finish these guys off. It is just a simple matter of tipping that loop up, threading your ear hook on, tipping your loop down, and repeat. As I said, these are really quick and simple, fun little holiday earrings, which you can make up in a variety of colors. And there we go. There is my pair of fun little Christmas tree earrings to build into my rotation to wear this festive, crazy season. As I said, that's a nice little quick, easy one for this week. I've got 2 more weeks of fun to go. In the interim, some fun things to give you guys a heads up on. One thing, Pantone released their new color of the year. It is vivid magenta. I have been planning our color boxes for next year. They are inspired by a Delica mix in each different box. So I have 12 Delica mixes that we've been working with one of our suppliers on. They've all got funky names, so something fun to look forward to. They'll each contain a pattern with the primary bead that's in the colorway for the box, or a full kit of everything you need to make it. Whether or not I have the string material or needle just depends on how where the box cost lands up, but you'd have all of the bead materials you need to make up a piece or maybe even two pieces. So we're having fun looking at different things like that. Box 1 is nearly ready to go, so keep an eye out. We'll actually launch that later this month for shipping in January. Box 2, I'm about halfway through, and box 3 will be Vivid Magenta. So that will be the box where we celebrate all things red, which is celebrating the color of the year. So it just gives me a little bit more time to source a couple of little colors. I've had a look around it for some things today, and I've already put together quite a fun little box and mixed a couple of things up. So should be fun. I'm looking forward to seeing how you guys react to different colorway options next year and having some fun playing with that. But that's it for me for this week. I will see you guys next week for more fun, quick Christmas gift ideas. See you guys then. Bye for now.